Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a group email on Outlook. There's a few ways to get it done, so let's dive in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to send a group mail here. So this is how we do it. There's two ways. First, you can go to the go to groups on the left hand side over here. You'll go to the right now of this window. You'll see that this is your group that we're on. We're going to go and click on send email. And here you'll see the recipient is new group, and here it is right here. It is this group. All right, so now you can add your email and click on send. You can also click on the new group icon over here and then send email. It'll open up a new window. You can send your email, type it out, paste it, use a template, and then click on send. Another way of doing it directly from your email or your Outlook email homepage over here is, let's say that we're going to go and click on new mail. Let's just open this up for easier access. And once you've opened up this new window, this is your new mail. In the recipients section over here, or the to, all you're going to do is type in group. You'll see that there's a group suggestion that comes up. That's your new group. You can now add your email body and a subject and click on send, and then you will find these emails in your sent items right over here. I hope this was helpful.